everyone, it's lemon loaf cake, whichever way, poke cake. It doesn't need any icing, and you can do it whatever way you want to make it. And the sugar, you could add color to it. Let's go make this happen. Here are the ingredients I'll be using for this loaf-like cake. I'll be using sugar, eggs, lemon, baking powder, flour. Please check the description box for the ingredients that I'll be using. As I said earlier, it's a loaf-like cake. You can use a loaf pan. Enough of the introduction. Let me start with the baking. I'll start with the dry ingredients. This is the flour. It has been sifted. To this, I'm going to sieve in the baking powder and the salt. Time to cream the margarine and the sugar. If you have butter, it's time to cream it. For the sugar, I used 3/4 cup of sugar. If you want a sweeter one, you could use a cup of sugar. You have a more cake like lemon poke. With this lemon cake, no other flavors are needed apart from the juice and the zest. The zest ready, I used about a tablespoon of zest, and then the lemon juice ready. Back to the creaming. Pour in the beaten eggs, fold in like half of the flour. Ingredients: milk, everything at once. The lemon zest goes in. Look how green it is. With this, you don't need any other flavor to add to it. It's already lemon. It's well combined. I'm going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice to it. This is for flavor, and it also helps in the rising of the cake. This cake is not so expensive, and anybody can make it. Next is the rest of the flour, and I'm going to fold it in. I have put on the oven. Consistency of this batter is a drop-in one. I have already lined the pan with baking paper. Just going to pour it inside the pan and bake it. But first of all, I'm going to spread it. I'm going to bake this on low heat until it is done. Meanwhile, I preheated the oven on high heat, but when I put it in, I'm going to reduce it to low heat. The cake is like halfway done. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and then 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. I used 2, but the sugar shouldn't dissolve in the lemon juice. It's going to be used as the topping. No need for icing. If you want to get creative, you can add some color to it, red, whatever. When the cake is almost done, remove from the oven. The cake is like 99% done. I have removed it so I can poke holes into it. If you don't want to poke holes, don't poke holes. But this is a poke cake. I'll be careful not to let the poking get down, 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 down to the other side. Otherwise, I will have a burnt cake. Spreading the topping on top of it. When I put it back in the oven, I'm going to use the broiler or the grill so it gets heated from the top and the liquid dries up. going to put it in the oven 5 minutes, and then I'll bring it out and our cake is done. Please like and subscribe. Give me an early Christmas gift, end of the year gift. Thank you for subscribing. 5 minutes later, it is done. It is not too sweet if you use 3/4 cup. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.